All right, guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this class, we want to do something very interesting. I want to show that a convergent sequence is bounded. Well, that means the boundedness of a convergent sequence is not hard at all. What we just want to show is that if it is convergent, it is bounded. So I will just have to use epsilon definition. So first of all, I want to see that for all epsilon greater than 0, there is, don't forget, n by epsilon in n such that the absolute value of x of n is less than minus L is less than epsilon, right? Such that n is greater or equal to n by epsilon, right? So I want to show that this particular one is bounded. So let me pick that one. So I have x of n minus L is less than epsilon. And from our triangular inequality, we know that absolute value of A minus absolute value of B, absolute value of the absolute value is less than absolute value of A minus B. We know this, right? So we can apply it to this one, that the absolute value of the absolute value of x n minus absolute value of L absolute value is actually less than the absolute value of x of n minus L, which is eventually less than epsilon, right? So I will just have to work transitively with this first one and the epsilon, right? So I would have the absolute value of xn minus L is less than epsilon. So it means that x of n will be less than absolute value epsilon plus absolute value of L. So I want to take the maximum basically. So let me clear this once. I would like to take the maximum, then we can now show that it is bounded. That's all. So if I should take the maximum, if I say let xn be the maximum of x1, because it's xn and xn is in n, right? Is in natural number. So x2, like that till we get to xn, and xn is actually lesser than epsilon plus L. So which means that after x of n, we will still have absolute value of L plus epsilon, right? So definitely x of n is less or equal to m, and we can say that this is, minus m less than x of n less than m, which shows the boundedness. I'm done, right? That's it. So because I can show that x of n is less than m, then we can conclude that a convergent sequence xn is also a bounded sequence. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm definitely going to see you in the next video. But before you go, click on the subscription button and don't stop learning. Bye.